Hello everyone. So we have given 6 divided 2 is 6, 8 divided 2 is 24, 9 divided 3 is 6, 2 divided 2 is 4. So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? If you haven't, watch my solution in this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. 6 divided by 2. We know that it's 3. But they said it's equals to 6. How? If I do factorial of 3, I get 3 times 2 times 1, which is equals to 6. Now let's check and apply to the next. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equals to 24. Now 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 3 factorial is, we already done in the first step, that is 6. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 1 factorial is 1. So what replaces the question mark? 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next